Yeah, so in this video I'm coming to show you how to use the I think Google Lens option or image search in Google. You see this three dots there. Yeah, you can tap on it, then import your picture just by dragging it in. So when you are done importing, we have three portions. One is search, the other one is text, then the other one is translate. I hope you all know the meaning of this. Yeah. So you select the text, then you just highlight the text inside the document. So after highlighting the text, you can copy it and send it wherever you want to send it. Yeah. So you can do this with any document, then it's really accurate too. Yeah, you can even quillbot it. That's just phrasing it with something. Yeah, you can play the audio for it to for you to listen while you are doing something or else. So that's the use of the search or the image button there. Yeah, so as you can see, I've imported my picture or my image which I want to select the text or even search. You can search it online. So if you have a picture of anything, any product which you want the name or something, you can search the picture. Yeah, it will give you the same format or the same thing probably. Yeah, then translate to, you can translate to other languages if you like. Yeah, so this is how I use the Google Lens. Yeah, on the phone, on Android phone, we have something called Google Lens, which you can is basically the same thing, but here I think it's called search by image. When you open your Google Chrome, it's just at the right hand side of the search bar there. So yeah, I guess you know how to use it. Then if I've blessed your life with this video, you can share, you can like, you can subscribe, you can comment anything you want to see or any video you want me to do on. Yeah, so Quillbot, back to Quillbot, because I said I'm going to show you what is Quillbot. Quillbot is a website which you can paraphrase your words or even text at. They're basically transforming text into another text, which by the use of synonym, the ethics here. I think the English elites know more about it. So you copy the text you want to paraphrase, then you go straight into Quillbot, then paste it, then you go to rephrase. You can rephrase many times you want. Yeah, so that you copy the final text you would place in the website to the destination of the text. Yeah, so thank you for liking.